Hello everybody, welcome back to programminginpython.com. Here in this video, I am going to tell you a simple logic by which you can find the LCM of two numbers. Generally, LCM means least common multiple. That is, for example, if you take two numbers like 3 and 5, first we'll check all the multiples of 3. That will be 3, 6, 9, next will be 12 and 15. These are all the multiples of 3 in which 3 can be divided. 3 cannot be divided with 4, 5, and here it cannot be divided with 7 or 8. So like that we'll go with the all the numbers which 3 will be divided. Next it will be 18, next it will be 21, 24 and so on. These are the multiples of 3. These are the multiples of 3. And similarly we'll write the multiples for 5. Multiples of 5. We can start with 5 itself. 5. Next it will go to 10. Next it will be 15. Next it will be 20. So on like that. Now if you check, we'll check for the common elements in this both multiples. There is 3 here, and there is no 3 in this multiples of 5. There is 6 here, but there are no multiples in here. And if you go, there is 15 here and there is a 15 here. So we'll take the first, that is the least common multiple. There will be also some other numbers, like there will be somewhere it will become 30, and here also will come 30. This 30 is divided by both 3 and 5, but we'll take the first one, that is called the least common multiple. So here the least common multiple of 3 and 5 would be 15. So like this we can calculate this. First we'll write all the multiples of 3, then we'll write all the multiples of 5, and we'll check for the least one. Here 15 is the least in both of them. So in that way we can find the least common multiple. So now this is the example. So now let's write a program for it. We'll need to take two numbers. I'll ask number 1 equal to input, enter any number, and similarly I'll take a number, or actually enter first number I'll write, and similarly I'll do it the same for the second number. So first we need to find the minimum number of both the elements. So there's a function called min, which I've discussed in previous videos. We can give two variables here, two numbers here, number 1 and number 2, and it will find us the minimum of this both number 1 and number 2, and we will save this in some variable called numbers min. So we have got the two numbers, and we have also found the minimum of the two numbers. So now we'll write a while condition to check whether the number is divisible by both 3 and 5. So we'll write a while condition, while 1. We'll write here, we'll check condition like if numbers min, if this numbers min remainder, we'll find the remainder when it's divided by number 1. If it is 0, and also when it is divided by 2, even then it is 0, then we'll call this as the least common multiple of both the numbers. So we'll print it then. Print LCM of 2. We'll print this numbers min, and we'll break it. And as I said, if it's not, we need to increment the value. So I need to increment this numbers min value. Numbers min plus equal to 1. So here basically what happens is, we will take the same example here, 3 and 5. We took two numbers, 3 and 5. This 3 is number 1 and number 2 is 5. In this min we will find 3 as the minimum number. So we'll check 3 divided by 3 gives a remainder 0, yes, and 3 divided by 5 does not give a remainder 0. So it will come out of the loop, and it will increase it. It will go to 4. It will check with 4. 4 divided by 3 does not give 0, and similarly 5 divided by 4 divided by 5 does not give 0. So it goes on incrementing, and when it goes to 15, it's when 15 divided by 3 gives a remainder 0 because it is divisible 5 times, and when 15 divided by 5 also gives remainder 0 as it is divisible 3 times of 5. So then it will go into this if statement, and it will print the LCM of two numbers is this 15, and it will break the loop. That is this pretty simple logic. So now let's run this and check. So let me run Python LCM. Enter first number, I will take 5. Enter second number, I will take 3. Actually we have forgotten to give here equal to 0. That's why we have seen this error here on line 9. If numbers mean percent number 1 equal to 0, and numbers mean percent number 2 equal to 0. And also we need to convert them into integers. We need to cast them into integers. So now we will run again and see. Python LCM. Enter first number, we will enter 5. Enter second number, we enter 3. You can see LCM of two numbers is 15. And I will give another example like 4 and 6. It says LCM of two numbers is 12. So this is how we can find the LCM of two numbers using this simple logic. We will check whether both the numbers when divided gives a remainder 0. Here we'll get the least one. That means the first instance where this condition matches, that is the least common multiple. In the example we have given all the multiples of 3 and written all the multiples of 5 and checked which is the least one. Here we no need to go beyond the least common multiple because we are checking both of them in a single condition. So if both of them met, then we are able to find the LCM. I'll also post the post link in the description, and also the GitHub link in the description, and also the Medium publication if you are interested in reading blogs from Medium. I will also post a link from that and my original website programminginpython.com link. So also keep watching the description below for all of my videos. There I will post all the video related links in the description for all of my videos. So keep checking the description for all of my videos. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, give it a like, comment. See you in the next video. Stay tuned for more videos from programminginpython.com. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel, watch another video, and visit our webpage.